Alright guys, I got another quickie for you. I thought I'd already made this video, but I guess not. How to change the cabin air filter on the 2012 Dodge Journey. Open your glove box, push these two tabs in, glove box will fall down. Right inside here, there's a push tab, push that, and then pull that off. Here's your cabin air filter. Pull it out. Ooh. Dirty. Take your brand new one. Take your brand new one, slide it in, then take the cover, snap it back on. Alright, cover's back on. Put your glove box back on. And to do that, you just slide the bottom into these notches and then lift it up. Just like that. And that's how you replace the cabin air filter on the 2012 Dodge Journey.